Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Jerry coming to you from Hawaii in the north, and
coffee time.
that would be Belle from Hawaii in the north. She's just making coffee. So we're just on our shakedown trip here for the start of the season. It's probably a good thing that we did a shakedown trip, as we will have run into a few issues. I've got trouble with my level legs. Not sure what's going on there, but I wasn't able to manually override and get the legs down. That was the one issue. Then we've been having some thermostat issues. I had a spare one. It also didn't work. So now I've managed, it seems to be working as long as I don't really crank the heat up too much. So it gets a little chilly overnight, but we're surviving fine. So I'll probably be doing an upgrade to that from Max Air, or Micro Air, sorry, Micro Air. Another issue. This is the Max Air issue. I'll have to get a Max Air fan. This one's quit working. This door doesn't seem to fit properly any longer. And then we did have some trouble with the toilet leaking, but I think I've solved that issue. And yeah, other than that, it's been not a bad trip so far. View out the window. It has been a little cold. But that's to be expected. It is only the 1st of April tomorrow, so we'll be heading out and heading down the road tomorrow. So heading back, more back to work. And yeah,
It's all been good.
it's been a good trip so far, other than a few little issues we've been having, but that's good because we want to get those cleared up before our bigger trips in the summertime coming up. So until then, everybody, let's roll. Hey, let's be careful out there. Blackfish out.